Hey guys, this is Versatile from Product Phoenix Media. So I want to do a quick video today. It's not really a video tutorial per se. I've talked about this topic the last couple of years, and I thought it'd be nice again to just retouch upon it one more time. And what we're talking about today is TeknoMW3 and trying to see in December of 2024, does the game still work online? The short answer is yes, it does. But if you're still curious on how to get involved with this method and play with your friends and whatever you want to do, by all means, let's continue with the video. So what I got here is the game installed. I have a copy of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 installed, and I have the TeknoMW3 client launcher files here. So what you want to do is if you have the files, click on the launcher. It should automatically update the files. I'm already on the latest version. Go ahead, set up your settings, whatever you want to do here, and then click on the play button. It'll start your game. And if you're curious, if you want to unlock your stats, then you could definitely just Alt-Tab, unlock the stats, and you're good to go. If you want to know more about the mod, how to get started, how to install the files, that good stuff, either you can go to the Discord or you can go to the wiki. So if I go to the wiki here, for example, it takes me to the webpage and it shows you how to install TeknoMW3 for both the Windows side, the client, the server, and also Linux. So let's go to the client for Windows, for example. I've tested this on Windows 11, works perfectly. And this is the instructions on what you need to do. Bottom line is install the base game, go to the game installation folder, copy the entire game folder to a different location, download the client launcher, run the launcher, click play, enjoy the game, so on and so forth. Of course, if you get stuck, go to Discord. They got guys there all the time that can help you out. And I will say in terms of the player base, it probably depends on the time of day you're playing the game. Because, I was trying that last night. I didn't find anybody. But today, I might get lucky. There might be some more people. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So all I'm going to do is I want to open up OBS Studio here in a second, record the gameplay, and we'll sort of go from there. So with that said, let's jump straight into the next portion of the video. Let's do this. All right, so we're in the game, TeknoMW3 14382, latest version 2.8.1.2. If you go to options, dedicated server, I have these options checked, so that's good news. You can also do update check here. This is all good. Server list. Let's join this server. Server is full. Great. Okay. Next one. All right. Auto assign, sure, why not?
Team deathmatch.
Oh boy.
Butcher them now. Show no mercy.
Game's a classic, haven't played it in a long time.
UAV online.
Good to see there's still a lot of people playing it. Oops. But yeah, if you're interested in playing this game, by all means, get the game, get the base game.
Care package on
Check
the
out the
way.
Discord or the wiki for TeknoMW3.
Explosive decoy on
Get
the
it
way.
installed, the client, update your files, and then you're good to go. So that's today's video. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, then comment here on the YouTube page. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.